Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the backup source: Google Drive, the app's cloud, or a local backup on your PC. Once done, force stop the app and do not open it again. That prevents data overwrite. Next, connect your phone to a computer or open a file manager to inspect /Android/data and app-specific folders. If a dated backup exists, note its name and path. That tells you what to restore and where you will place files back. Now execute the retrieval. If Google Drive backup exists, choose Restore from Device Settings or App Setup. Follow prompts. For local recovery, use a DB, activate developer options, enable USB debugging, then run a DB pull from the app folder to copy files to your PC. If files were deleted, run a reputable Android recovery app or desktop tool to scan right away. Make sure to check file sizes and timestamps so you know the recovered data matches what you need. To finish, copy recovered files back into the original app directories, preserving folder names and structure. Set proper permissions if required. Next, reinstall or open the app and follow its restore or sign-in flow so synced data reconciles. Verify functionality and spot-check key items. If something fails, rerun the ADB pull or recovery scan, check Android logs via Logcat for permission errors, and, if needed, fall back to the most recent good backup to avoid further data loss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.